So Jade has a question for me.
So how long will it take until I see results after the LipiFlow treatment?
And that's a very good question. Each person is different. I've had several patients that have told me they notice it right away after that same day. I've had several patients also that it might last, it might take about a week to 2 weeks. So usually on average what we're seeing here in the office is between 3 to 7 days or so. That's whenever patients start to notice a difference. We usually give the patient a call after a couple of days just to make sure they're doing great. And most of the patients do tell us that they notice an improvement after 2 or 3 days. Good question.
So with that being said, what is the success rate of the LipiFlow treatment?
And so here in our office, we're noticing closer to about 90% success rate, which is probably the highest success rate that I've had with any of my dry eye treatments for patients that have mild, moderate, or even almost severe dry eye. So I've been very happy with the LipiFlow treatment and the success that it's had for my patients so far. You have a question for us, Dr. Nguyen?
Yes. Now that I have completed the treatment, what should I do to maintain?
And very good question. So we usually give the patient instructions right after we finish the treatment. So we give them a mask, a dry eye mask here in the office, which is included in your visit. We also give the patient anti-inflammatory eye drops so we can prevent any swelling that they might have. And then we also give them some retained eye drops here in the office, and that's also included in the visit. And then after about 2 weeks, they'll see us back just to make sure they're doing great. And we check with them, about 2 to 3 days later, just to make sure that everything's improving. After that 2-week visit, which is also included, we then change the treatment plan depending on their results. We might start discontinuing a lot of the eye drops and medications that they're actually on. So, very good question. And any other questions? Jennifer, do you have another question for me?
No, I think that is all, Dr. Gonzalez. You did great.
Okay, thank you very much. And if you have any other questions about the LipiFlow treatment, please give us a call, 972-661-2020. We do have very experienced LipiFlow technicians here in the office, and we're one out of maybe 3 or 4 offices here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area that actually have it. So we're very lucky, and patients have been very happy with it. So thank you very much.